If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making GOTALI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take about 1 cup of urad dal and soak that in some water for roughly about 3 to 4 hours. Then discard the water and without adding any water, blend to make a thick paste. Then half a cup of rice flour, a quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, 1 cup of jaggery or gur. Then take some fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then half a teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and place it over medium flame, and first add all the ghee, followed by all the urad dal paste and rice flour. Now we need to roast this for roughly about 4-5 minutes until all the moisture is gone and they are well cooked. Now to this, add all the jaggery or gur along with half a cup of water, which will help the gur to dissolve and easily mix with the dough. So once it's well combined, add the powder and the salt. Then again roast this for a few minutes until all the moisture is reduced and it becomes a dough again. Then switch off the flame and let it cool down. Then apply some ghee on both of your palm and take a small size portion like this. And first shape it like a ball. Then placing it in between your palm, give it an oval shape, just like this. Now take lots of oil or ghee in a pan for frying and place it on high flame. Then to that, add them one by one. And as the dough is already cooked, these won't take too much time. So remove them once they turn golden brown in color. And it's done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad GOTALI. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.